When you want to access your online textbook, come to the KHPcontent.com website. Here is the first page. If you are just starting the semester, enter in your access code here and then follow the instructions next. If you have already created an account, just go ahead and log into your account here. That will take you to the initial page of the textbook website. Along the center of the page, there are a variety of links to take you to different sections. The welcome section, which you see here, is just a welcome and introduction to the course. The link for syllabus will show you a copy of your syllabus. So your syllabus has been sent to you. It's also posted on Canvas, but there is also a copy here. Your online textbook is under eText. If you click this, you will then see the 12 chapters as well as the reference section for the entire textbook. The online lectures that are posted to YouTube follow the same structure as the chapters themselves. So if you click on chapter 1, you will find an outline for that particular chapter, and links for the different sections over here on the right hand side. For an outline of the chapter, biology and philosophy, defining psychology, historical roots of behaviorism, and so forth. So each of these sections, if you click one, will follow essentially the same path as the lecture itself. This way you can easily watch the online lecture and then come back to the e-text and know exactly where you are, and go back and forth between reading the textbook to watching the lecture, which is what it is suggested you do. The next link is for chapter quizzes. The chapter quizzes here run from chapters 1 through 12, but if you have seen the syllabus, you'll notice that there's also a quiz on the syllabus itself. If you click any of the quizzes, and I'm clicking the syllabus quiz here, it will tell you when the quiz opens, when it ends, and this is a link at the bottom to begin your attempt. Same process holds true for any particular chapter that you click through, say chapter 4 here. Now for any of the chapter quizzes, like chapter 4, there are also an additional set of links down here on the right hand side. One is for an outline of the chapter, which is similar to what you saw under eText. Here there's an introduction to the chapter, which is part of the beginning of each individual chapter. So these are a little bit of duplication. There are a series of flashcards for you to learn key terms. Then there's a series of study questions which are used to create the quizzes that you'll be taking for grading. These study questions, if I click on this, it will give you an opportunity to begin an attempt to review the study questions that will turn into the quiz. In this particular chapter, chapter 4, there are 165 study questions. Of those questions, 50 of them will turn into a quiz for chapter 4. Study questions are the best way to study for quizzes. Make sure that when you perform the quiz that you save the answer if you are still working, skip a question if you wish, and only when you are completely finished, press I am finished, submit for grade. The last link here, which is for the quiz itself. By clicking on the quiz, it will change which attempt you're actually beginning. This is the attempt for the quiz, and you can proceed from there. Exams look very similar to the setup for quizzes, except there are no additional links on the right hand side of the page. There are links for whichever number of exams are available for the particular semester you're taking. Then there is a glossary of terms, which you may need to use in some homework assignments. Next to that, a list of links so that you can upload your homework assignments. In this particular semester, a database search homework is the very first homework for the semester. And this is simply where you would upload it. Once you upload a homework, you will receive an email verification that your homework was submitted, and then you can be confident that it is in the system and will be graded by your assigned teaching assistant. If you come all the way over to the Gradebook, which I'm not going to click on because I have a different view than you will see all of your grades for the semester. And that's about it.